Adelphi is known for its top-ranked nursing program. That's what drew Kezia here. She's a senior nursing major who is passionate about making the world a better place. So let's put on our scrubs and head over to the state-of-the-art Nexus building because healthcare heroes are born right here. Kezia, you are on.
Hey everyone, and thanks Alex for the great introduction. All my life, I've known I wanted to save lives. As I got older, I discovered my love for science, and with the help and encouragement of my family and friends, I discovered that nursing was the best fit for me. After being accepted to Adelphi, I came for Accepted Students Day, and I found my tour guides to be incredibly friendly. This event confirmed for me that the people are terrific, the campus is beautiful, and the bunnies are absolutely adorable. At Adelphi, I've taken part in a wonderful nursing program that puts an emphasis on hands-on learning. I've gotten to work with the mannequins in the simulation labs, go to clinicals, and wear my Adelphi scrubs and feel official. The professors I've had have been amazing in explaining information, allowing me to try new things, and helping me to see how far my career as a nurse could go. The nursing program here is a giant community full of students who work together to help one another succeed. During my time here at Adelphi, I found myself involved in many different parts of campus. I work as a senior admissions ambassador in the admissions office, a volunteer in our Panther Pantry, and a member of our Adelphi Christian Fellowship and our Women's Club soccer team. I love my university because it's given me the chance to grow as an individual, grow in my faith, as well as just have so much fun. The one thing that I found to be consistent over these past few years is that a college education is more than just getting a degree. It's about using everything that you've learned all the way down to the random one-credit courses you may take to grow as an individual. That's my story. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Kezia, it's great to hear how you're truly growing as a person and doing so many great things on campus. In addition to launching a career in nursing, becoming a well-rounded person is all part of the Adelphi University experience. That was absolutely fantastic. Take care.